Hello and welcome to Sketches of a Comical Nature. We hope you enjoy the following program. Ouch! You shot me!
Hello, I'm Yvette and welcome to Haunted's Most Investigation of what's the name of this place? What do you mean you don't know? Well, I assumed you would know. Ugh. Well, what am I supposed to do? Oh good, she's looking it up. What do you mean it doesn't have a name? Okay, welcome to the investigation of, well, this place. Yeah, I think we should do that again. So what activity have you had in this house?
None. The house isn't haunted.
Oh my god! It goes, it's just like a demon!
That's a Halloween decoration.
It's manifested in broad daylight!
Ma'am?
Why don't you understand what's screaming run away? I'm looking at the idiot doing it alone! What will psychic artist Brian Shepard think of this incredible location?
Looks toward camera. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to say that. Whatever, you can edit that out later, right? Anyway, I didn't see you there. But you were there the whole time. I knew you were there. Oh, right. I'm pretending for the camera. Well, here's what I sensed. There's whatever that thingy is, and well, there wasn't anything else around, so I sensed a duck shooting laser beams from its eyes. Cool, right? And there's some tentacles all in this area around here. And here are the sea folk people. They are being terrorized by the duck menace. Thank you for my hat, Mr. Hand. And, there you have it. There's, all sorts of weird things going on in this picture. It's only slightly disturbing.
Yeah, what will ever skeptical parapsychologist Karen think of this upcoming investigation?
Well, I am skeptical that we'll get any footage that shows paranormal activity simply because the crew has gotten into the habit of pointing the camera at themselves, running, screaming, and swearing.
What's your point, Karen?
How are you today? Would you like to buy some dentures? Or
Dentures?
already chewed gum?
Gum?
Or knives for throwing? Oh, this beautiful, beautiful set
You know-
of
I think it's time for you to go.
You shot me! You shot me!
I'm
You
sorry.
shot me!
I'm sorry!
We begin this investigation by holding a seance in the basement. Spirits from beyond the grave, should Kiernan buy us dinner tonight after the investigation? I'd say that's yes. This ghost wants you to buy us dinner tonight. Sorry, Kiernan, first the ghost will. It would be unwise to obey its wishes.
Did somebody say something about fried chicken? Don't tempt me!
So, Brian, what do you say?
I see a tall man. Dark. Very angry.
What do you see in this room?
Tall man. Dark. Angry.
The same one?
What are you talking about?
You saw a tall, dark, angry man in the last room, too.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Maybe you should start taking your medication, Yvette, before you come to these lockdowns.
What are you talking about?
Oh, right, that's me. Sorry about that. Do you have the fried chicken I asked for? No fried chicken? Oh, this is chicken. You dance divinely.
I'm investigating the upstairs by myself. Hopefully, though, things will be fine, though, because there's no reported activity in the whole house. So, you know. Oh my god! I'm seeing a ghost!
Wait, Mrs. Fried Chicken, where did you go? No! No!
Oh god, that was close. I almost got that on camera.
If there are any astral beings or spirits here, please come forth.
Stop. Stop. What's up? What's up?
Word. Now go away. I'm looking for ghosts. Shoo, shoo. That was a ghost! Don't be ridiculous. I would know it if a ghost came in here and tapped me on the shoulder.
Get out of my house. What are you guys doing? Running around screaming at 3 o'clock in the morning.
We're investigating the paranormal. You made contact with the spirit world.
I don't care. Get out of my house.
There he is! Run!
Would you like to buy a dictionary?
What? Why would we want that?
They should have just bought the dictionary.